hair, nails, skin.
Can be like one of those little Vietnamese
I don't
ladies
have
there.
an esthetician license.
She doesn't look like a Vietnamese lady though.
What?
There's always the little Vietnamese ladies that do the hair nail things, you know.
No, they do the nails.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you. There's a difference.
So hair, nails, makeup.
Yep. I can massage your booty too.
You can massage.
I'm a certified wiener massager. No, I'm just kidding.
Can you sing that little song for me again?
Which one?
You kind of turned me on a while ago.
Which song?
When you were singing in the car.
The one I got backwards?
Yeah.
The Bologna song?
Yeah, I like that one.
No.
Can't you sing and do my makeup at the same time?
Will you sing it with me?
Okay. Do you want to say it backwards?
No.